In today's video, we are going to paint the side of my car. There's not a lot to explain. It's basically ready to go. We are going to mask cap everything that we don't need or we don't want any paint on it. And then we will clean up where we want to make sure the paint adheres really nicely. And then we'll get started painting. We got everything masked up. My cousin here helped me out so much so that we can get it done really quickly. Everything is masked up. We use some garbage bags because it's the easiest thing to do at right now. And we masked up the hole so that all the dust doesn't come back out. And I left a little bit of paint exposed here where we have good paint and good top coat so that we can blend it in nicely. Same on the bumper there. And got the wheel covered as well. Now we are ready to go. We'll clean everything up, use some parts cleaner to get all the wax and hand oils and all the dust off this corner, and we'll start painting. Instead of directly starting on the car itself, which is a big area, and if you mess up, it's going to be a lot of work to fix, I'm going to use this little spat as a test. So if it does go bad, it's a small piece, it's not too hard to fix. Okay, so I've been shaking this can for about 3 minutes now. It's ready to go. We'll take a quick hit on the cardboard and we'll see how it goes. And then we'll paint the spat. But before we do that, I will tell you where I got this from. This is a custom mixed spray can from Napa. If you give them when you go to Napa and give them the paint code, they will fill this up for you. It's about $40. It's not the cheapest, but this is pretty good and I've seen really good results from other people that have used it. So we're gonna see how it comes out on this guy. So the trick for painting is thin layers and build up consistent, nice, even layers so that you are not gonna end up having runs on your paint and it dries really nicely. Now we're gonna leave it alone for a few minutes so that it flashes off and it's gonna be ready for the next coat. Looking at this, I'm kind of ready to go and paint the car. What do you think? Should we do it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. I'll move this out of the way so we don't end up bumping into it, but I think we are ready. So coverage is good. I went over with my light and made sure everywhere is even and has good coverage, and you don't see any of the bodywork underneath coming through. And we let it dry. We let it dry pretty well, and then we'll hit it with the top coat.
I'm recording you guys because I got 2 helpers now, so it should go pretty fast. Actually, we can't go fast, but we should be able to do it.
So we let it dry for a while, and now it's ready to be covered with the top coat. So we're gonna do the top coat. I got my 2 helpers here. There's no runs on the paint. There's no reactions. There's no dust nibs. Surprisingly, there's no dust nibs at all. I quickly wiped it down with a dry towel. There's no issues. It's fully dried now. We're gonna do a light coat with the top coat first. Make sure it sticks really well, and then do some heavy coats afterwards. Build up a really nice thick layer to make sure that we can sand it back if we need to. I don't think we need to.
And then
we will open the garage.
So we're gonna die?
We're gonna die. That's your reaction to all like potentially dying.
Let's read.
Hang on. I need food. Anytime I need a thing.
Oh,
That should be my
you
thing.
should, like, buy something.
Yeah, just constantly be eating.
I'm not feeding you constantly.
Yeah. What's his name? The Asian guy from Fast and Furious are constantly
Oh,
eating
Han,
chips.
yeah.
Han,
No,
I need that.
He's eating because
Except what?
he's literally
Is he
just
diabetic?
No,
Something?
no. The reason he's constantly eating is he quit smoking.
Oh, smoking.
Yeah, the reason he quit smoking.
something. What should I quit?
Food. Quit food.
Maybe I'll start smoking. That'll help me quit.
So this is the 2-part paint. That means the hardener is separate from the actual top coat itself. It's basically epoxy in a can. Epoxy in a spray can. It has a little pin on the bottom. Once you shake this up for a while, you use the little cap that comes on the top and basically punch it to mix the 2 parts together. And it's supposed to be shaken again. And then you have about 2 days, 48 hours of use of this can. After that, it basically hardens inside the can. We are not gonna wait 48 hours. We're gonna hit this whole thing today. I got the garage door open because, well, we don't wanna get cancer, do we? Okay, all right. I'm ready to hit it.
What am I? What was we doing?
Well, it's the end of the video.
Oh.
So, can is done. Everybody's high as hell. Paint is drying, and we're waiting for it to cure. We'll wait 24 hours at least, and then we'll take off all the masking and see how it is, how it's looking. And in part 3 of this video series, we will finish up all the blending and see how the car looks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for these guys for hanging out. And subscribe to see the 3rd part of this series.
Little Easter egg for a future video. Don't worry.
See ya. Bye.